Ever wonder who has the shortest day? Time for the mystery of the fastest spin.
Spin for the win!
Time check. Jupiter finished one day in less than 10 hours.
Ooh, I'm dizzy, but yeah! I'm the Speed King. I'm big, but I'm super fast.
Well, if anyone needs me, I'll be here, finishing this tiny scarf. I'm almost done with day 1.
Wait, 243 Earth days for one of your rotations? Your day is longer than your year. How is that possible?
Most of us spin counterclockwise, dear. But Venus spins backward. That retrograde rotation is why your day takes so long. The big takeaway? Rotation speed is everything. I'm fast because I'm big and gas, but Venus is slow because she's stubborn and spins backward.
My atmosphere is blowing off! The space weather alert! What is this wind? Help! There's an invisible force peeling my skin off! What is this horrible wind that won't stop?
Don't worry, little moon. I am Mercury, the smallest, fastest planet. The moon is way bigger and further away. Get it together.
My mistake. Okay, but look at this then.
That's just the solar wind, a flow of energized particles coming from the sun. Luckily, I have my amazing magnetic shield. It bounces those particles right off.
It's like wearing cosmic sunscreen that actually works. I lost my shield and my atmosphere got peeled away ages ago. I'm basically just a fast, bald rock now. Don't get too smug, Earth. Your shield isn't perfect. You're still losing atmosphere at the poles.
You're right. Without my shield, the solar wind would slowly peel off my atmosphere.
It would peel it off like the skin of a super slow, invisible cosmic onion. That's why we need that magnetic field. Hey, it's not all bad. When those particles sneak past your shield, they hit your atmosphere and make a light show. Check out the aurora.
Wow! So the solar wind is like a cosmic artist making a light show at my poles. That is actually really cool.
So as a summary, the 8-minute time gap isn't Earth being slow. It's the massive distance between the sun and Earth. You are always seeing the past version of the sun.
We got a major celestial mystery. Time to solve the sun's secret color.
All right, team, let's get to work.
You look yellow to me, sun. Every morning.
And afternoon.
It's just a fact.
Me, yellow? The ultimate source of all light? How dare you! Look closely, Earth. I emit every color of light at the same intensity. When you mix all colors of light together, what do you get? Pure white.
If you're white, why do I see you as yellow?
Am I colorblind?
That's your fault, Earth. Your beautiful, thick atmosphere is actually acting like a giant color filter. Me? It's my fault? Yes, you! Your atmosphere scatters shorter, bluer wavelengths of light. That's why your sky is blue. What's left to reach your surface is the longer, redder, yellower light.
And that's why my thick, glorious atmosphere looks so perfectly orange. It's simply gorgeous.
Wait a minute! That's why the sunsets and sunrises are so red and orange.
Precisely. When my light travels through more of your atmosphere at an angle, even more blue light is scattered away, leaving behind those magnificent reds and oranges. It's all about atmospheric filtering. So as a summary, the sun is truly white light, but Earth's atmosphere scatters the blue light everywhere. And that's what's making the sky blue, leaving only the yellow and red light to hit our surface.
That's the secret color of our star.
You know what makes me special? I have the coolest moon in the inner solar system. It controls my tides, lights up my nights, and my Earthlings just love staring at it. They even wrote songs about it.
I mean, I'm basically Earth's twin in size and mass. We're neighbors. But somehow I don't have a single moon. Earth never lets me forget it. It's like being the only planet without a +1 to the cosmic dance.
Yeah, tell me about it.
I don't have any moons either. At least you're big, Venus. I'm the smallest planet, and everyone just assumes I'm too pathetic to have one. Even Pluto used to have more moons than me, and he's not even a planet anymore.
My moon is so reliable. It's been with me for over 4 billion years. Best cosmic companion ever.
Hey there, Earth. Let's talk about why you two don't have moons. Mercury, buddy, you're in a tough spot that has nothing to do with being pathetic. You see, Mercury, you're so close to the sun and so small that your Hill sphere is absolutely tiny.
What's a Hill sphere?
The Hill sphere is the region where your gravity is the strongest force. Any moon inside that zone will orbit you instead of the sun. And your Hill sphere is only about 175,000 kilometers.
Simply put, Mercury, darling, any moon that tried to orbit you would be like a paper boat in a hurricane. The sun's gravity would just snatch it away faster than you can say orbital mechanics.
You never stood a chance, sweetie.
Okay, but what about me? I'm almost as big as Earth. I'm 80% of Earth's mass. My Hill sphere should be fine, so why am I moonless too?
Oh, Venus, my dear, you're asking the wrong question. Scientists have run simulations, and they suggest something fascinating.
The question isn't why you don't have a moon. It's what happened to the moon you probably once had.
Wait, what? I had a moon? I had a moon and lost it? That's not just embarrassing, that's tragic!
Based on planetary formation models, scientists think that about 4 billion years ago, you got smacked by something huge. The debris from that collision likely formed a moon, just like Earth's. It started orbiting and slowly drifting away, like a normal moon should.
But then, research suggests something catastrophic happened. Roughly 10 million years later, a second massive impact may have struck from the opposite direction. This collision could have slowed your spin, reversed it entirely, and sealed your moon's fate.
When a planet rotates backwards relative to its moon's orbit, tidal forces work in reverse. Instead of pushing the moon away like Earth does, Venus, you started absorbing your moon's orbital energy. You basically pulled it into a cosmic bear hug of doom.
If this theory is correct, once your moon crossed the Roche limit, your gravity would have torn it to pieces. The debris would have rained down onto your surface over millions of years. Your moon didn't escape, darling. It came home in the most dramatic way possible.
So I didn't just fail to get a moon. According to this theory, I had one, and my backwards rotation destroyed it. That's so much worse than never having one. It's like ghosting your best friend by accidentally crushing them.
Hey, at least we're moonless together, right? I never had a chance because of the sun. You might have lost yours to bad physics. We're like the moonless support group of the inner solar system.
Should we start a club? Mercury's Hill sphere is merely 175,000 kilometers. Venus's extends to about 1 million kilometers.
And Earth's reaches 1.5 million kilometers. Distance from the sun is everything, darlings.
You both orbit in the sun's intense gravitational neighborhood.
Mercury never had the mass or distance.
Venus probably had a chance but lost it to catastrophically bad timing. It's not a failure, it's just physics being dramatic as usual.
I'm really sorry for bragging, you two. I didn't know about all this cosmic tragedy. I just got lucky with my distance from the sun and that my moon stuck around after forming. I should have been way more sensitive. I feel like such a jerk now.
Well, if I did lose my moon 4 billion years ago, I'm still here, still the hottest planet, still fabulous.
Besides, my thick atmosphere and retrograde rotation make me unforgettable in other ways. Who needs a moon when you've got this personality?
Yeah! And I may be small, but I'm the fastest orbiter and closest to the sun. I survive temperatures that would melt lead.
Who needs a moon when you're basically a speed demon living in an oven? I'm hardcore. Every planet's story is different, friends. I have 95 moons because I'm massive and far from the sun. You three have your own special circumstances. That's what makes the solar system interesting. If we were all the same, space would be boring.
So basically, Mercury and Venus have no moons because the sun's gravity dominates the inner solar system.
That makes stable moon orbits nearly impossible. Scientific models suggest Venus likely had a moon but may have lost it to reverse tidal forces after a second impact changed its rotation.
Well, I feel better knowing the science behind it. At least if my moon did ditch me, there was a whole cosmic catastrophe involved. 2 giant impacts and backwards physics? That's not just tragic, that's Oscar-worthy drama.
You're right. You're rusty.
What if Earth suddenly turned red?
Oh no! I'm red! I'm red! I'm losing all my beautiful blue and green!
Oh no! Mars! Did you cover me in red dust? You're jealous of my oceans!
I wish. No, you just look tough and rugged like me now. Welcome to the red side.
For that much rust to happen, I would have had to lose all my beautiful liquid water and all my oxygen. The water is disappearing. I can feel it. It's evaporating right off my surface. What is happening to me? Oh, the tragedy. No blue, no water. You're officially a dry, dusty failure, darling.
Look, it's not so bad. I've been a dry rust bucket for billions of years. We're color twins. Now you just need to grow my giant mountain, Olympus Mons. You'll love the quiet.
Oh, I don't want to be a dry, dead desert planet. I like being the blue one with life and plants. I want my water back.
All right, fun's over. Time to switch the colors back. Okay, crisis averted. I am never complaining about my oceans again. Blue is definitely my color.
So as a summary, Earth turning red means a full chemical disaster. You'd lose all your liquid water and oxygen to form
Iron rust.
Yeah, I'll stick to the original colors because blue and green means life.